Hey everyone, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Today we're excited to show you our all-new ditch light kits for the 5th Gen RAV4. This kit lets you mount a pair of C2 2.0 or SS3 LED pods right above your hood, giving you a more low-profile look with our C2s or a more aggressive off-road style with our SS3s. As you can see, thanks to the low-profile bracket design, even with the pods mounted, everything sits just above the hood and you still get plenty of clearance to open and close the hood without interfering with anything. These brackets were designed right here in St. Louis, Missouri and made from thick gauge powder coated steel so you don't have to worry about annoying flex or vibration when you're on the road or trail. Our ditch light kits are available in your choice of sport or pro power levels, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. With both options, you're getting an insane amount of light output, but if you're looking for maximum brightness, go with the Pro. And you can pick between 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow for the main beam. 6000K cool white is perfect for everyday driving and clear conditions where you want long range visibility. And 3000K selective yellow, on the other hand, really shines in inclement weather. If you spend a lot of time on dirt roads, trails, or deal with bad weather often, yellow is a solid choice to keep your view clear when it matters most. And of course, just like the rest of our Stage Series lineup, you also get the dedicated amber backlight, perfect for adding a clean custom accent that helps your RAV4 stand out. All of our Stage Series pods use ultra-durable polycarbonate TIR optics, which capture and focus nearly all of the light. That means you get a more focused, more efficient beam pattern compared to pretty much any other option on the market. Both ditch light kits come standard with our combo optics, which blends driving and flood patterns. So you get a strong, focused beam down range while still lighting up the foreground right in front of you. The Stage Series pods in this kit were designed, tested, and made right here in the USA, and they're backed by our limited lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. Installation is easy. The brackets mount directly to the OEM hood bolts. Plus, we've included our heavy-duty wiring harness to power the pods, along with a switch extension wire made specifically for the RAV4, so you have enough length to route the switch through the firewall and inside the vehicle. Now let's take a closer look at how they're installed. Start by opening the hood to access the hinge bolts. We recommend taping off the location of the factory hood lift to ensure proper alignment once the bracket is installed. Using a 12mm socket, loosen the two hood hinge bolts. Slide the ditch light bracket between the hood and the bolts, adjust as needed for proper alignment, then retighten the bolts. Repeat this step on the opposite side. Next, remove the fuse box cover on the driver's side. Then, using a 10mm socket, loosen the positive terminal in the fuse box. Insert the harness's positive wire and make sure to retighten it securely. Next, use a 10mm socket to loosen the ground terminal under the driver's side headlight, insert the negative wire terminal, and retighten securely. With the harness connected, route the DT connectors to both brackets, making sure to keep them clear of any hot or moving parts. For this install, you can use the included toggle switch or opt for an aftermarket switch panel by connecting the auxiliary tap wire for a clean and simple setup. If you're using the included switch, you can now install the switch extension by disconnecting the white connector on the harness and plugging the extension in line. With the extension installed, we recommend routing the switch through the passenger side firewall grommet and mounting it in your preferred location. With the harness in place, mount the pod's U-bracket using the included carriage bolt, leaving it hand tight for now to allow for adjustments later. With the bracket loosely mounted, you can mount and secure the pod onto the bracket. Then connect the DT plug and repeat the same process on the opposite side. With both connected, test for proper function. Adjust the aim to your desired position and then tighten all the hardware securely. Finally, secure the wiring using the included zip tie wiring routing holes. And that's it. Your ditch lights are ready to hit the trail. If you're ready to pick up one of these kits for your RAV4, like our new add-on and upgrade fog light kits, be sure and visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. If you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure and like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching.